Hi Paul Mitchell friends, we're back and today we're getting into a festive updo holiday hair tutorial. First things first, making sure your hair is clean and dry. Using the end of my teasing brush so I can create precise sections into 3 parts, while also securing the rest of my hair in the back. Using the Awapui Wild Ginger Styling Treatment Oil and applying that on the front sections. That way they can be slicked down and frizz-free when beginning to braid. Braid the 2 sides and secure with elastics to finish. Now applying Neuroprotect onto my teasing brush while making sure that there are no flyaways that peek through. Once everything is slicked down, securing all of that in a pony. You want to now get everything together and secure it with an elastic. Once that's done, put the braid into a bun and secure that with another elastic or bobby pins. You're going to want to loosen up the bun a bit so it looks more effortless and full. It wouldn't be a festive hair look without red velvet ribbon. Now placing this underneath my bun while meeting at the top to tie it into a bow. We're all about the details, and to finish off this look, we went in with hair gems by placing some on the crown center for added shine. Hope you've enjoyed this look, and happy holidays!